You always dreamed of making it big in your town. People had a certain walk and a certain frown, steady and heavy, or younger than 20. Put some color on those cheekbones. It's never too late for you to get well known. We'll teach you to blush and how to get your way. Useful tricks. Once you get the taste of it, you lay off and brace.
On our first hike of the weekend, Little Stony Man Park here in Shenandoah. We're about to come out to the overlook. Absolutely gorgeous.
That's a nice overlook.
What a good start to our day.
Not bad at all.
Yeah.
And it's an easy hike. Super, super easy.
It took us like 13 minutes to get here.
Yeah.
Crazy easy, good start.
And we have to be cautious too, just because we have a dog with us. And not every trail is dog friendly. So this is one of the better hikes that we can do with our boy Sherman.
Some color on those cheekbones. It's never too late for you to get well known. Put some color on those cheekbones. Oh, it's never too late.
So we just did our first hike of the day. It was a short hike. It was about 40 minutes total. Honestly, had a really good time just because we needed a trail that was dog friendly. First of all, we needed a trail that wasn't going to be too rocky, in my opinion, and you know, that was like perfect for Sherman, where he didn't struggle whatsoever going to the trail. It was a good time, man. What do you think, babe?
Yeah, I liked it. Like he said, it was a quick like in and out. It was really nice. It was a little narrow, so you know when you're passing other people, but you know if you're able to just step to the side and let other people pass. It had a great little overlook. We probably could have had lunch there if we wanted, but I think we're gonna keep going forward. We're going to South River, so we're like here on the map. We're about maybe a quarter of the way through.
Yeah.
And South River is on the other end of the skyline. So I think what we're just gonna do is grab some lunch maybe before we get there at one of the overlooks. Kind of just take it easy. Like Theo said, we need dog-friendly trails. So whatever we can hop in and out of, like we're just being open-minded.
Yeah, with my phone. Like this never end. We have to try and keep.
So we're on our second hike of the day. We're at South River Falls. It is about a 3-mile in and out loop. So right now we are hiking down to the lookout point.
It's supposed to be the waterfall, I believe.
We believe so. And so this is one of those trails where you can either kind of stay around the water line and meet at the lookout point, or you can kind of go up and over and look at the waterfall. So I think we're gonna end up at the base of the waterfall. The second loop is a little bit longer, but you meet at the same point. So we're trying this one out. Pretty moderate trail. It's nice that they have these natural looking little steps. Sherman is absolutely loving it.
He's just going crazy.
This is his first time in Shenandoah with us. He has done lots of beach camping, but this is the first time that we've taken him into Shenandoah, and actually the first time he's camped here in Shenandoah with us. So it's been a good weekend so far. The weather is absolutely gorgeous, mid-70s, very, very enjoyable hiking weather.
I've been running like a fool. Open my arms for you. I was young, and that's what young people do. Running, then I run back to you, just like the running people do. Cornelia, you are one who will survive. When time's been bad, you put smiles on everyone. I think of you and of all I should have done.
Dinner time. Cass is chefing up like always. This view is just unbeatable. Baby, what are you making?
Theo picked out some really yummy looking beer basted like cheddar cheese infused broths.
Oh yeah.
They look absolutely amazing.
Oh my god, yeah they do.
It's a little windy up here, but you can kind of see the cheddar cheese in the center. Yeah, it looks amazing, and they smell delicious.
So we also have some onions, some peppers that we have left over from what we brought during the weekend. So we're gonna put that in there at the end, just chef everything up, mix everything together. And then I have this really good like camping spice that I brought, which is just incredible. So we're gonna put some of that in and just enjoy dinner, have a few beers, and then call it a weekend, go back, make a bonfire. So it's just absolutely freaking amazing up here.
I definitely feel like the main character, if you guys know what I'm talking about.
The main character, what does that
This is
mean?
it. Like, I'm living my life.
Yeah.
On top of the mountain. Like, look at those views. Like, you don't get to cook to that every night.
It is amazing. And we have Sherman back there just hanging out.
He's vibing.
Yeah. He's being the guard dog. So he's hanging out. Nobody's out here on the overlook with us. And I'm kind of happy it rained earlier today too, just because I feel like everybody just, you know, kind of wanted to stay away from the overlooks. They probably thought the views weren't going to be as good, but you know, those are the times that you kind of have to cherish, just because you can't beat it, man.
Also, the last thing we need right now is rain. So, fingers crossed.
That's true. That is true. All right, cheers, guys.
You wonder why we're nearly up. Your every day is a struggle and a strife. But don't you agree? With beating hearts, we're still alive.